CATL challenges EV charging limits with ultra-fast battery, breakthroughs the primary hurdle for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. EVs has long been the refueling gap. While EVs offer superior maintenance schedules and smoother driving experiences, they cannot yet match the rapid refueling speed of internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles. However, battery giant CATL is moving to bridge this gap with a new generation of high-performance batteries designed to make charging nearly as fast as a stop at a gas station. Closing the gap with the Shenzhen 3 for much of the past month, BYD held a significant lead in charging speeds with its 9-minute rapid charge technology. That lead has now been eclipsed. CATL's new Shenzhen 3 battery is designed to charge from 10% to 98% in just 6.5 minutes. This development is a critical milestone for the industry. As Bernstein analysts noted, these speeds effectively close the gap between electric and traditional gasoline vehicles. Key technical highlights include extreme speed. The battery can reach an 80% charge in just 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Cold weather resilience. Unlike many current lithium-ion batteries that struggle in freezing temperatures, the Shenzhen 3 can charge from 20% to 98%, approximately 9 minutes even at degrees C, degrees F. Longevity. Rapid charging often comes at the cost of battery degradation. CATL claims the Shenzhen 3 maintains over 90% capacity after 1,000 full charging cycles, suggesting that high speeds will not significantly shorten the vehicle's lifespan. Redefining range and efficiency beyond charging speed, CATL is tackling the two other major pain points of EV ownership: range anxiety and vehicle weight. The CATL 3, lighter and longer lasting, the new CATL 3 battery aims to optimize vehicle dynamics by delivering a range of up to 1,000 km, 621 miles, while weighing only 625 kg, 1,378 pounds. The pack is significantly lighter than current industry standards. This reduction in weight is vital because lighter batteries improve overall vehicle efficiency, acceleration, braking, and handling. The CATL condensed, the long-haul solution for even more ambitious goals, CATL introduced the CATL condensed battery. This technology aims to provide unprecedented range. Sedans, up to 1,500 km, 932 miles. Full-size SUVs, up to 1,000 km, 621 miles. If successfully implemented, such extreme ranges would drastically reduce the pressure on global charging infrastructure, as drivers would need to stop far less frequently. Roadmap to production, these are not merely theoretical concepts. CATL has indicated that these technologies are headed for the assembly line. Shenzhen 3 and CATL 3, expected to appear in production vehicles within the next year. CATL condensed, targeted for a later release due to its advanced complexity. Sodium-ion batteries. CATL aims for mass production of these alternatives by the end of 2026. The shift from fast charging to ultra-fast charging represents a fundamental change in how EVs compete with gasoline, potentially removing the final psychological barrier for many consumers. Conclusion: by tackling charging speed, cold weather performance, and battery weight simultaneously, CATL is positioning itself to eliminate the most significant practical disadvantages of electric vehicles. If these technologies reach the mass market as planned, the transition from internal combustion to electric power could accelerate rapidly.